Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, it is Easter, so I thought it'd be fitting with our spring background to talk about the Dot X Peeps. I thought this collection was super cute. I think it really only retailed for like 50 or 60 bucks after shipping and taxes. But what you get in the collection is you get this really cute peep eyeshadow palette, and then you also do get this jumbo container or box of beauty blenders, which we will not be using because I already have my face on, and I'm going to put this actually in a giveaway. I actually have a full set, so I'll have a full set and then this paired with something else for someone else in the giveaway. So our giveaway is adding up, and I love it, and so much more stuff is coming out, and I'm so excited because there's so many more new launches coming out. And I got the mystery boxes, I got the ColourPop X Lizzie, I got the Hipdot actually came out with the Hello Kitty collection as well. If you guys remember, I think it was still in 2020 or maybe early 2021, ColourPop had a Hello Kitty collection. Now Hipdot has a color collection or Hello Kitty collection, which I did order, still waiting for that to come. And then I have like the Elf Chipotle and the Lizzie collection, still waiting for all that stuff to come. I did order extra in the Lizzie collection, so someone in my giveaway will get a full Lizzie ColourPop collection. Lizzie McGuire. If you're not from the 90s, you suck. No, just kidding. But that was when Disney was actually kind of cool, and that was a really good TV show. Anyways, now that I'm done shit talking, I wanted to actually try the eyeshadow palette out, and I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Here's what the unicarton looks like. I should show you what it looks like on the back. Here's your color story right around here. It is animal, test-free, and vegan. Express your peepsonality. Your peeps. I love that there's like that one little yellow peep right there. And I'm not going to try and blind you guys, so I'm going to keep the plastic over it. But there is a cute little peep bunny for a mirror. And here are all of our colors. They are extremely pastel, vibrant, and spring. The blue shade is called Bunny. This cute little warm tone taupey shade is called Cute. This next one down here, it's kind of like a soft lavender magenta. This one's called Marshmallow, sugar coated. It's this, I think it's sparkly. Oh no, it's actually coming off matte. It's a really pretty kind of like crease tone for me shade. This really shimmery hot pink shade is called Chick, and then we also have Sweet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this new year. As far as the giveaway, we have, I want to say maybe 10 things already collected. I still have more stuff coming. There's so many more collections coming, more stuff that I ordered that isn't even here yet. It's not going to be as long as the last one. It's going to be pretty short and sweet. I have mystery boxes coming from Jeffree, which I absolutely love doing. I've never missed a mystery box launch, actually. One year I didn't get the big box. I actually sought it out. I found it from a very nice person on eBay, and ever since then I have been in communication with this person, and I feel like I have a very good relationship with. So these mystery boxes are my tried and true. I absolutely love doing them, and of course I got all the boxes, and of course they'll be here as soon as they launch. I did get an email. I think it said, due to overwhelming response to our latest promotion, yada yada yada, 15 days for shipping. So anyways, I am back. More videos coming, more exciting things, huge giveaway coming. If you want to be part of that, just subscribe down below. My description box has my Instagram, my Twitter, and our TikTok. Make sure you follow those down below as well, and leave us a comment. Okay, so this one actually did come with a mirror. It does feel very like light to the touch. It is more of like your plastic material, but I'll be using the mirror that it comes with. I really want to play with, of course, this blue and purple shade. I don't really want to mess with these in the crease too much because these are shimmers, but I do want to start off with just putting a really pretty base down. There is a little bit of kickback in the pan. If you care, you care. If you don't, you don't. My brush is very coated. Tap off some of the excess. It is a very, very light transition shade. Okay, so now that we have sugar coated in the crease, I want to go in with the blue shade here called Bunny. Again, a little bit kickback in the pan. The brush is extremely coated. Oh, almost dropped it there. Caught it. Take off some of the excess, and then we can start to build. Okay, so far as the blue shade in Bunny, I feel like it's very pigmented. It didn't blend out very nicely. As far as like a little bit of patchiness. I noticed like right around here, I'm not sure if you can see that. As you blend it out more, I'm seeing more and more patchiness up here. So let's just put on more. Okay. I definitely seem very buildable and very blendable. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in my inner corner. So I'm gonna go jump off camera and build this eye over here, throw on some eyeliner and some false lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, beauties, I am back. I did complete this side to mirror this side. I did throw on some false lashes and some eyeliner. So my final thoughts and my final review, I feel like the look kind of came through really cute and really pretty. I'm definitely digging the pastel, especially for the summer. But I feel like we're in like a really weird place where like wearing non-eyeshadow, especially when it gets warmer, is a thing. And I've kind of been following that trend myself, just like some eyeliner and mascara, maybe a falsie, and then just, you know, beating the face to perfection. But we're doing a eyeshadow review, so let's talk about the Hipdot X Peep. So I feel like this color went on really nice and blended out very smooth. I was able to get it pretty much where I wanted it, very easy to blend. But then I noticed as more that I blended it, it became patchy, particularly more in like my inner corner portion. And then we started to use, oh, I didn't even mention the sugar coated. It was pretty pale and almost non-existent. I really want to talk about this marshmallow shade because I feel like the look took a very dramatic turn when we introduced this shade. I feel like if you can see, it's a very like kind of like hot pink with like a little hint of purple in it. But if you can see, like in my crease area, you have like a darker purple, and that started to happen as we started to introduce these two together. So the lid kind of stayed true to that pink shade that is true in the pan, but it actually turned into a darker purple as we blended them together and blended that purple more into the green just to kind of match with that blue shade. I did not try this shade or this shade, so I can't tell you how they performed. I will tell you that this is probably my absolute favorite shade. Not because it was gold necessarily. It was extremely pigmented. I did wet the brush with some Fix Plus. So, you know, with a wet brush, it did a really good job. I have that kind of like a peekaboo sunrise. Not my favorite look that I've ever created. I do feel like I trusted the process. It did kind of come out wearable. But would it be something that I would recreate in the future? Probably no. And I would probably never use this palette again. I felt like there was just too many issues, too many problems. I've tried Hipdot palettes before, and they're really kind of spotty, to be completely honest. They're really kind of hit and miss. Like, the SpongeBob palette, not it, sis. No way. No way, shape, or form. I won't sit here and lie to you. But then the Tapatio palettes, those were amazing, blendable, buildable, blending togetherness. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then now we're sitting here with this collection, and it's completely the opposite. I did order the Hipdot X Hello Kitty collection, so I'm interested to see what that actually does. It's going to be a hit or it's going to be a miss. I just feel like there's too much spottiness with the brand. Like, we all know those brands that are just extremely terrible and you're just never going to buy them, and then there's the brands that are really kind of cool. But with this one, it's a mystery, but a mystery in a very unnerving way because you don't know what you're going to get. Is it going to be amazing? I had extremely high hopes for these, just how the pigmented they looked in the pan. I didn't waste time with swatching them. I really just wanted to get in and play with them on my eyes, but sadly, I really feel like this was a big miss for me. I think it's cute and really Eastery, and I feel like I wish I had a much more better video for Easter for you guys, and it kind of brings some sadness to my eyes. But being completely honest, I did not like this palette. I will never use it again. More than likely, gonna throw it away or give it to my sister who's like 6, or my niece who's like 11, just so that they can play with it and, like, you know, what little girls do with makeup. So there's my tip there too. If you don't like an eyeshadow palette, hand it down to someone who's much more younger in their life, because they're kind of like experiencing makeup and play with it and they're not serious. So if it gets damaged or if it gets ruined, it's not a big deal. But you know, they get excited for things like this, and this was really cute too. So I'm really sad, but it didn't work out for me. I really didn't like it. I feel like there was way too many problems, and I really wish that this turned out a lot better. Let me know what you guys think down below in the description box. Remember to stay beautiful, stay sexy. Until the next one.